light.
Yes, we're plenty light enough, even though it is now 20 past 8, and we're having dinner finally because we had a long day on the road.
You know, long day, I'm knackered.
Yeah, we're knackered. She's knackered. I'm not knackered. I'm never knackered. So what we're doing tonight is hamburgers, dude.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
We're not going to McDonald's, no. We're doing this on our own, on our little camping setup. And what that means is a nice little whole wheat bun. We've got some garlic, mushrooms, and a bit of herbs. Provence herbs on that. This is actually
You can see it was the sausage.
the Toulouse sausage.
Yeah.
And we've taken the casing off and flattened it out. There you go.
Why? Because I don't like the flavouring of the hamburgers that they make.
Okay.
I normally make my own, but in the shop they only had beef, and I don't like that for hamburgers by itself because it's in here in France it's dry and not nice. So the Toulouse sausage is actually a very nice sausage. So I thought, well, let's try it as a hamburger.
So this is a test, actually.
It's a test. It's an experiment. Another experiment. We
Don't
always
follow
do
this
experiments.
test. Here we have a piece of cheese, which is going on there. And we have our Dutch thing to go with it because that's how we roll. A tomato. We got some peppers here. I'm not sure what they're for. Gherkins.
Really?
Some green stuff here, which is really nice. This is roquette, which is quite cool. Bit of mayo on there. And mustard, but I had mustard, dude.
Cool.
Check it out, going in.
I'm not adding any extra oil because these already have a fair amount of fat. And that should just like, so we forgot onions. Like, duh. How can you forget onions? We forgot onions.
No, you forgot onions.
Yeah. I didn't actually see them. It was my task. Well, so I had to get the bitters, of course. And he asked me, Vic, go get the vegetables. And I got loads of vegetables.
Yeah.
No onions.
So let's see how this turns out.
Yes.
Smells fantastic with the mushies. Lightly toasted rolls. Here's our burgers with mushrooms and garlic. Here we have some cheese, gherkins, tomatoes. Some of this choice mustard is actually really good. Bit of mayo and some green stuff. Yeah. And I don't know what's going on here.
I'm just cutting this up so we can use it for next time. This is like lethal stuff from Spain.
It looks pretty lethal, bro.
Yes, it is.
Okay, I'm not going to have that tonight.
No. Gotta shake it before use.
Getting light on the mayo. Get it? Light on the mayo. Never mind. Tough crowd.
Tired crowd.
Yeah.
Okay, so we do mushies. I think in an attempt to keep them on the bun.
So this is how Subway works, right? Now I want 15 mushies on there. That's 25. I'm not paying for that. Imagine how the patties still retain the shape of a sausage.
Yeah, because I didn't squish them completely.
No, it's just
It's cool,
memory.
no?
What's it called? Memory foam.
Muscle memory.
Muscle memory. So are these vegan patties?
Yes, dear.
Okay, cool. I was worried about that.
So we're going to do the cheese next because you want it to melt a little bit, right? That's the idea.
So this is old Gouda from Lidl. This is choice stuff.
Favorite cheese.
It's actually only available in France for some reason. And this one has been lying around, so it's extra old.
This is
Where did we buy this?
Lidl.
In France.
Yes.
Where's France?
Yes.
Okay.
Lidl France.
Gherkins. So basically you can add even more into this because we used to in Portugal we used to make these, which seemed like a lifetime ago.
It does seem
with
like a lifetime ago.
avocado.
Oh,
And
avocado.
you have
Yummy.
to. You can even make a little bit of bacon effort going. We've forgotten the onions completely.
Yeah.
Obviously.
They're actually not looking too bad.
Looks quite convincing.
Yeah.
Just a hint.
Yes.
Okay.
This is Dijon. It's like, ooh,
It's not Dijon.
isn't it?
No.
I thought it was.
No, this is Bourgogne.
Ooh,
It's very good. It's actually pretty good. Bergen. Yeah.
It's
Is it hot?
quite bitter. It has a little bit of a bite. I
Excellent.
guess as much as it should.
Excellent. Yeah, no more curry sauce for us, I guess. Bit of mayo and a bit of mustard, and then we're done. And the rest has to come from the garlic. So, are you sleeping in the tent? I'll sleep in the car. So this whole burger is actually a vessel for the
Green
rocket.
stuff. Yes.
Is this rocket or is it a mix?
It's a mix, yeah.
Okay, it's a mix.
Yeah, so we squish that down and voila.
That looks pretty good.
It looks quite convincing, right?
Did you pay money for that?
Well, we did.
You know what I mean?
Yes, I would.
Could we charge money for this? That's the important question.
Yeah, if we wanted to do this permanently for other people.
$8.95. No French fries on the side.
Yes.
What do you think?
Yeah, but then you'd have to do it.
Why am I cheaper? Or I'm a cheaper rate.
No, I enjoy cooking, but only for 2 people or sometimes 5.
Oh, look at that, guys. What do you
Pretty-
reckon?
Pretty good, right?
I'm digging it.
Cool.
So there you have it, guys. Empty plates. I'll take it. I think in Japan that means you enjoyed it, or something to that effect. This is a quick and dirty burger using what we had, meaning we didn't have any onions, nor do we have an avocado or bacon or whatever you want to add to that. I have to say, the garlic mushrooms without the onions was actually pretty good. Enjoyed that part. It was really quite soft, gave it a bit of punch as well. It was very good. You didn't even actually need any more different sauce. In that respect, I can recommend it. So hope you enjoyed this one. Maybe it'll give you an idea. Use what you have in your little camp kitchen and go wild, man. You can do what McDonald's does better at home. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one, and keep, I was gonna say rolling.
Hamburger.
Keep hamburger rolling. Continues chopping these deadly chilies. You might be wondering why, how can you have 2 hamburgers? Are you nuts? Well, no, I'm not nuts. I haven't eaten all day. I had half a nectarine and half a peach, and I've drunk water all day long, and that's it. Is that a good thing? You tell me.